Hello everyone, welcome back to this episode of the Daily Target series. And today's target has been released and it is quite a simple one. So let's begin. If you can see that I have already high score, that's because I forgot to start recording and I just created it and later on realized that nothing was recorded. So sorry for that. So I'll do it again. So class is equal to A for the first div. Okay, and now the second div is equal to B. I'm naming it B. Closing tag. Okay, so now we have two divs. So now, first of all, today I'm going to do things in a little bit different way. We'll only keep enabled the difference. First, I'll change the body color. So body, then click on this background, paste, and if in case you can't see there is a slight difference now, like it is more darker, then you can see now the color is same for the background. I'll again set the difference on. Now what we have to do is display flex. The reason behind display flex is to bring it in the center, as I usually do. Display flex, then justify, content center, and then align items center. And now we have to use, first of all, we'll change this. We don't need to write div. We have to write here. First of all, there was .a because if we wrote div, then it would have given the same properties to both of them, which isn't required. So here we have to put transform, then comes rotate, because we need to rotate it 45 degrees. Like as putting a rough vision, you can simply see that yes, we need to put 45 degrees here. Now let's increase the width and height. 150 isn't enough, maybe 160. Yeah, 160 is the exact one. Now we have to change the background color. So background color, again, copy from here and paste. As you can see, it's an exact match. You can't see any other color than the black in the bigger div. I know the smaller div is still visible in a different color. So now we need not put transform here because of a simple reason that it will inherit the property from the A div. So we need not put again rotate 45 degrees, else it will become the same 90-degree one, which is normally seen. So now we'll give a width. It's approximately, I think, half of the div, so 60 pixels. Then comes height, which is again 60 pixels. And now we need to give some background color. So background color has to be this one. Let's paste it. Wait, what went wrong? Okay, I wrote 60 by mistake. I had to write 80. My bad. 80, 80. Yeah. Now you can see it's like there are some little lines visible on some places, but still it will be considered as a 100% match. As you can see, those slight differences aren't even visible properly, so they'll be considered as 100% only. And you can see a score above 600 today, as it's in front of you, 615.36. And we can take it a little bit ahead by doing this. So now if I do submit, it may go to 616. I don't know how exactly it will go. No, 615.96. You'd be wondering, why do we have such a larger score than usual? Like usually we have a 600 score or 600 point something. Today we created it in so less characters. Like usually, I'll show you. Usually we have characters such as 700, like 794, 747. Then comes this 1372 because I didn't knew of the comments, etc. And 1136, 14,014. That's the reason. But in this one, it only took 338 characters. So lesser the characters and the more the accuracy, the more the score will be. So that's it for today's video. Hope to see you in the next one. Till then, bye.